Hello, this is Robert with Kenmonjo.com, and want to go through, give you a quick overview of all the features of Kenmonjo in just a couple minutes. Now that you've gone through, done the new user welcome wizard, you're ready to get started with Kenmonjo. So let's go over a couple icons up in your toolbar up at the top. You're going to find this on every page that you're on. You have the option of the home button, which will take you quickly to your profile page. The settings button, once you click that, you have the options going through editing your profile, viewing any labels that have been shared with you. The applications icon shows up on any label that you're in that you have permission to create content in. Allows you to go through, open up applications for, like example, creating a blog, sharing photos, shrinking URLs, all that good fun stuff. Then we have the option of viewing any shared labels that you have, managing your friends, viewing any notifications or messages you receive from other Kenmonjo users. Any notifications will pop up as well, messages, or going out and sending a message itself. How many Kenmonjo points you have, your list of labels that you have in your account, and beside each label you have a little icon, a little down arrow, which allows you to go through, adjust the security, color scheme, and custom image options for each one of your labels. You can go through and set who has access to each label by clicking on the little security lock. And each user group that you have, you can go through, either grant or deny permissions on each one. And on any page that we have for setting permissions, we have what we call the quick set buttons to quickly set it to world, friends, or private security only. And then from there you can enhance it further by either checking or unchecking certain groups and user boxes to customize your own security preferences. You also have the option here of going through adding a new label. By default, all users have two labels, status, feed, and events. If you want to go through add something for just your co-workers, you can just type in name of a label that you want to go through and create, hit the add button, and it shows up in your list, and you can customize it from there. You also have your content stream itself. In here you'll find that you can always see the name of the label that you're in, whose profile it is, and the name of the label. Going through, you have the options of creating different options along with your status updates, attaching images, files, the actual status update itself, and if you need to, you can use the URL shrinker to go through, reduce the size of URLs and the actual content stream itself as you go through and post content, or other users post content you subscribe to. You'll see it post up into the list here, and from there you can go through, rate it, have a direct link to the content, share it on any other services that you have access to, or that if that person is allowed to be public. And then you have other options such as being able to hide that piece of content or edit it, delete it, all depending on if you have permission to go through and do that to that piece of content. But anything you can go through and hide. And finally, on your profile page up at the top, on any label, you're going to see the More Options button. Clicking on this will allow you to add it as a source to another label that you have, or share and save that label out on the internet as well if it has permissions to be viewed by anyone else. So that's the quick rundown of your profile page, all the features it has in it. They go into more detail into how all these work, because it's quite a bit of learning about how everything works on here. It's a little bit different than any other typical website. Feel free to take a look at the Team Kenmonjo help videos, and even add Team Kenmonjo as a friend or contact on your profile, and that way you can go through, see the latest content that's being posted up, see the latest help videos, and until next time, take care, and hope you enjoy using Kenmonjo.